Hi, I'm Sue from createwithsue.com. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at the vinyl blade kit. The box is this one here, and you can see it without the light. There we go. So that's the box for it. And the blade has the pale blue top on it. It actually has a finer blade in it than some of the other blade kits that are available for the SDX models of the ScanNCut. It is only it's only usable for the ScanNCut SDX models, and it's very easy to use. You will find in the kit, you will find the activation code, where on the inside there is the code to place into Canvas Workspace and activate it. You will find this little leaflet guide, which is in lots of different languages. Tells you very little, unfortunately. However, it does give you a little spot there in the red, information on where to download more information if you need it. Unfortunately, it's a bit light on the rest of the information. But the fun bit in here is this pattern list. So on this front section here, when you unfold it, has some ideas for you on projects you can create with your vinyl blade kit. And on the inside, it has some designs that are included once you activate your kit. So that's lots of fun designs in there. Actually, I really like the one that's on the front cover, which is the whale. It's very pretty. So it's very easy to use. You just pop the blade into your ScanNCut like that, and then press the little lever down and good go. Take the cap off the end and you're good to go. This is just a little protection caps that come with all the blades, and you keep them on there to make sure your blade stays in good condition and doesn't get poked at inadvertently and get damaged. The vinyl blade kit will be good with both HTV, so heat transfer vinyl, and also regular adhesive vinyl. So things that it is great for is intricate vinyl. I'll just get some here somewhere. Covered it with the box. Here we go, right there. So intricate vinyl. So this is adhesive vinyl. Oh goodness, it's not very good in the camera because it's white on white. But it's very fine writing with some very tiny little dots above the eye. And I'll just pause this video for a moment and go and get you something I made with this. Just a moment. So this is the project I created with that very fine vinyl wording. You can see there's tiny little dots on there with this. So this is actually a little gift with the ribbon is the length of the baby's birth length when it was born, little girl. And it says, "This ribbon is very special indeed. If you take it out, you will remember how little I was in 2023. So it's a cute little saying as well. And it's cut with the vinyl blade kit. So intricate vinyl and HTV or adhesive vinyl. And I'll show you some more demonstrations with it in another video. See ya.